Ever wonder why most people struggle to build a portfolio that actually stays balanced, while a few seem to grow their wealth on complete autopilot? When I first started with M1 Finance, I was overwhelmed by the pies and the automation, but once I tapped into the right resources, everything clicked. If you want to master this platform without the trial and error, here are the absolute best M1 Finance resources and guides I've used to manage my money. 1. The official M1 Help Center and blog. Don't sleep on the source. The M1 Help Center is the gold standard for technical how-to questions, like how trade windows actually work or how to move slices between different pies without triggering a massive tax bill. For strategy, I go to the M1 Taking Stock blog. They recently released a financial wellness guide that breaks down long-term wealth building specifically using their automation tools. It's perfect if you want to understand the why behind dynamic rebalancing. 2. YouTube strategy guides. When I need to see the interface in action, I look for two specific types of creators. First, True Financials has one of the most comprehensive hour-long deep dives that covers everything from account types to dividend tracking. Second, for high-level portfolio theory, look for Humphrey Young. He provides a great perspective on how to integrate M1's pie system into a broader three-fund portfolio strategy, which is how I personally keep my risk low. 3. Community wisdom, Reddit and Discord. If you have a weird, specific question, like how M1 handles a specific stock split or a merger, the r/M1 Finance subreddit is where I go. It's a community of thousands of active users sharing their custom pie links and troubleshooting bugs in real time. It's the best place to find expert pies that other successful investors are actually using. 4. Third-party research tools. M1 is great for execution, but for deep research, I supplement it. I use Seeking Alpha or Morningstar to vet the stocks I put into my slices. Since M1 doesn't offer robust technical analysis, these tools act as my pre-filter before I commit a single dollar to a new pie. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.